Hello, I'm in a 2012 Ford Focus, and today I'm going to show you how to connect your phone Bluetooth to your vehicle interface. So first make sure your vehicle's on, which this currently is, and then your display's lit up. And then from your device, you want to make sure you've got your Bluetooth on, which is that blue symbol, or sorry, that greenish, bluish there is on. And usually if you push and hold it, it'll take you to your device pairing menu, which we'll want to be pairing. And then from your display, we'll do this gears for settings, and then we'll do phone. And then here we want Bluetooth devices, and you want to make sure Bluetooth is on. And there's a limited number of phones you can have stored, so you might need to delete a phone first. So let's say you want to delete this one to make some space. We'll delete, yes. I'll show you again. Alright, so now we'll do add a device.
Search for sync on your device and select sync once it is found.
As it said, we'll be watching for it to say sync. Sometimes this takes a few tries, so you might have to restart your phone and do it again, or the car and do it again. But it should be
Confirm that the pin displayed on sync matches the pin displayed on your device.
So it does, so I'll hit pair on here, and then a yes up here. And then that should be it here in a moment. It should be able to sync up things like your music, your phone calls, all that kind of stuff now.
For your safety, please stay alert to changing road conditions and use Sync's voice-activated features while your vehicle is in motion.
Yeah, a good idea. And then it should auto-connect your phone as well, especially if you save it like a favorite, something like that. But that's it. And then yeah, so you can see here connected, this Revel. And then if you make it a favorite, it'll try to connect to that right away when you first get in the car. But hope this is helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.